Technique: apply oil to back and then massaging back. And press 风池 and 风府 acupoints 3 times. Push dual meridian and bladder meridian with both hands alternately 3 times. Push dual meridian and bladder meridian with both hands 3 times. Alternately push from 大椎 with heels of 2 palms to the dual meridian and bladder meridian. And then lift from one side of the waist to the armpit. Left side first and then on the right side 3 times. Push 大阪经 from the nape of neck with face 5 to 8 times. Push from the nape of neck to waist with face 3 to 5 times. Use one hand to push 大阪经 with thumb and index fingers playing. Use the other hand to soothe the area 5 to 8 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. One side, alternately push the medial border of scapula from neck with thumbs and index fingers splaying 5 to 8 times. And then push from bladder meridian on chest along the medial border of scapula to neck with both hands 5 to 8 times. One side, push downwards along the bladder meridian on back 5 to 8 times. Push from scapula to waist 5 to 8 times. Alternately massage back from waist to shoulder with both palms. Press shoulder for 3 to 5 seconds and then slide to palm. Repeat the 2 techniques above on the other side. Wipe the essence on the back with towel. and apply RF cream evenly to the back. RF for back shaping. RF can stimulate collagen regeneration to shape body and prevent skin from sagging after fat is metabolized. Adjust parameters. Set time at 15 to 20 minutes. Set energy level at 3 to 7. Choose normal mode. Technique. Move the handle from neck to balleo area along dual meridian and bladder meridian respectively, straight to 5 times. Move the handle in circular motion from dot tray to balleo area, straight to 5 times. Move the handle on 大碗经 back and forth, straight to 5 times. Lift along the medial border of scapular back and forth, straight to 5 times. Perform the technique on left side first and then on the right side. Move in infinity symbol motion downwards on the back to balleo area, 3 times. Move upwards in undulating motion to armpit 3 times. Perform the technique on left side first and then on the right side. Lift upwards from waist to armpit 3 to 5 times. Vacuum RF for massaging and soothing. Vacuum RF can dredge meridians and activate clitoris, expel damp and help detox, firm skin and shape body, relieve fatigue by the combination of vacuum and RF. Set parameters. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Change vacuum mode to suction and release mode. Vacuum suction can be adjusted according to individual endurance. Push the handle from 大椎 to coccygeal vertebra 3 times. Push the handle along bladder meridian towards coccygeal vertebra. Perform the technique on left side first and then on the right side 3 times. Put the handle on 天宗. Lift up the handle after 3 seconds. The suction can be reasonably increased. Repeat the technique 3 times. Put the handle on 肩颈. Lift up the handle after 3 seconds. The suction can be reasonably increased. Repeat the technique 3 times. Reset parameters. Time 10 to 15 minutes. RF energy level 3 to 7. RF mode smart mode. Vacuum mode constant suction mode. Vacuum suction adjusted based on individual endurance. Push the handle from 大椎 to 八髎 area back and forth 3 to 5 times. Push the handle from 肩颈 to 八髎 area back and forth 3 to 5 times. Push the handle along the medial border of scapular from 肩颈 back and forth 3 to 5 times. Move the handle in circles on scapular 3 to 5 times. Lift upwards from waist to armpit 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side 3 to 5 times. Clean back with hot towel.